you're new here, my name is Nika and I'm a clay artist. In this video, I'll be showing you my Pawstry collection. I always start by mixing my own colors, taking my time to get the perfect shade. Then I roll the clay into a ball with pressure to remove any trapped air bubbles and to ensure a smooth finish before shaping it. For the ears, I use a mold to measure equal portions so they're all the same size. Then I cut the clay in half and shape it into ears. Next, I make a small teardrop shape for the tail and press it onto the piece. Making the eggs is the easiest part. Now I will prepare the ingredients for the pizza and garlic butter buns. I'm using translucent liquid Sculpey or TLS mixed with soft pastels. I add just the right colors to match the look of melted cheese using reference pictures from Google. It doesn't have to be super realistic, but I try to match the colors as best as I can. Before mixing more ingredients, I decided to add their eyes first. For the pizza's tomato sauce, you can mix clay with TLS, but I just use soft pastel this time. This will be the parsley for the garlic butter bun. And this will be for shading the buns. Now let's assemble everything. Making the pizza is so satisfying. I didn't even notice the time passing because I was enjoying it so much. Remember to be kind to yourself and drink plenty of water. The cheese looks so real. I'm so tempted to take a bite. Now let's let's make the garlic butter topping. I'm adding cheese, parsley, and a bit of brown to give it that baked cheese look. Once everything is done, I'll bake them in my small oven at 140 to 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes to cure. After the first batch of pastry, I started brainstorming new ideas, and this is what I came up with. This collection is inspired by the nostalgic dirty ice cream vendors in the Philippines, just like how they serve classic street ice cream in a soft bread bun. I wanted to bring that idea into my clay work. These are the flavors I chose for the ice cream. Here is what the first batch of buns looks like after baking.
So big and so cute! Love you! Ay!
Please don't be mad at me for not filming the third batch. For this batch, I made buns with butter on their heads, shaped like a bunny, dog, cat, and pig. To finish up, I'll glaze the eggs and drizzle some honey or maple syrup over the charms. Here's the final look. I hope you like them as much as I love making them. They're all available in my Etsy shop. I actually left them unglazed and didn't paint my usual trademark face on them so I could offer them at a lower price. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.